Okay, this is the homework section to the system's word problems. Okay, I'm not going to do every one, especially the first one, because you already have the equation right here. So therefore, read through the problem and try to solve it using uh, elimination. That'd probably be the best method. Okay, just be careful when we use elimination here. We have a negative y and a positive y, so when we add straight down, they're going to eliminate, and then 1x plus 1x is 2x. Alright, we get 2x equals 8. Okay, you guys could finish it on from there. Alright, number 2. Little geometry for you. Preview of next year. Alright, the measures of complementary angles have a sum of 90 degrees. And angle A, which is right here, this angle right here, and angle B are complementary, which means that these two angles add up to equal 90 degrees. Okay? And their measures have a difference of 20 degrees. What are the measures of the angles? Alright, so we have two equations here. Their sum is 90 degrees. Okay, angle A and angle B. Okay, we have to find the measures of both those angles. So we have angle A, which we're going to call X, which I'll do that in red right here. X, and angle B, which is Y. Alright, so angle A plus angle B equals 90 degrees. Okay. We also know that their measures have a difference of 20 degrees. Well, what does that mean? That means that if we subtract them, okay, the difference is going to be 20 degrees. Alright, so difference meaning subtract. If we subtract the two numbers, their difference is going to be 20 degrees. Okay, so we'll go x minus y. If we subtract them, we're going to get an answer of 20 degrees. Okay, and now we have two equations that are similar to the last problem. Okay, I want you to solve from here. Okay, moving on to number 3. Harvey has some $1 bills and some $5 bills. In all, he has 6 bills worth $22. Let X be the number of $1 bills. So here in this question, they tell you, all right, X is $1. And let Y be the number of $5 bills. So Y is the $5 bills. Okay, write a system of equations to represent the information and use substitution to determine how many bills of each denomination Harvey has. Now, we can use substitution. We don't have to. Okay, elimination works better with these systems. Alright, but we know that he has $1 bills and $5 bills. In all, he has 6 bills. So he has $1 bills and $5 bills that equal a total of 6 bills. Okay. Now, how much is a $1 bill? A $1 bill is $1. Alright, so it's 1x plus $5 bills, 5 y's equals $22. Alright, now we could use substitution if you want, so you have to solve for x or y, or you can multiply one of these equations by a number. Now I see positive x and positive x, so I'm going to multiply one of these equations by negative 1 to make the x negative. So I have x plus y equals 6 in the first one, and I have negative x minus 5y equals negative 22 in my other equation. Alright, because we distribute the negative 1. Okay, elimination method. Cancel out the x's because they're opposites. 1y minus 5y's is negative 4y. 6 minus 22 is negative 16. solve for y, and we get y equals 4. So he has 4 $5 bills, which means if he has 4 $5 bills, let's take this equation, x plus 4, these 4 $5 bills, equals 6, so x equals 2. Alright, so he has 2 $1 bills. Okay, let's skip the next one. Alright, they do give you the equation here. Okay, you guys can manipulate that and solve for x and y. This one you're going to be on your own. This is similar to the geometry one. Okay. All right. Number 4 is a little difficult because there's a lot of numbers. As of 2004, the New York Yankees had won more Major League Baseball World Series than any other team. In fact, the Yankees had won one fewer than 3 times the number of World Series won by the Oakland A's. The sum of the two teams' World Series championships is 35. How many times has each team won the World Series? That's a typo. Has each team. That's interesting. Okay, straight out of a book. Okay, so here we go. Here's the easy equation right here. The sum of the two teams' World Series championships is 35. So x plus y equals 35. Alright, we'll call Oakland A's x and the Yankees respectively y. Okay, now it says the Yankees had won one fewer than 3 times the number of World Series won by the Oakland A's. So one fewer than 3 times the number. Alright, so what's that? One fewer means subtract. 3 times the number, 3 times the number of A's victories. So it's actually 3x minus 1. And that's what the Yankees won. So the Yankees equals 3x minus 1. Okay? So the Yankees won 1 fewer than 3 times the Oakland A's. Remember, x represents the A's, y represents the Yankees. Now here you have one equation that's not in standard form, so we can use substitution. Alright, so we're going to take this, because we know that this equals y, and we're going to sub that in for y in the other equation. So we get x plus 3x minus 1 equals 35. Okay, I'm going to stop there. You guys have to solve for x and then plug that into one of the equations and solve for y. Okay, please see me if you have any help, need any help, and good luck.